What's up, YouTubers? Today I'm going to show you how I made this super dope shirt in like 5 minutes. Let's go. What up, YouTube? It's your boy JestArt. So basically what I'm doing here is I'm just using the iPad's capabilities to make some super smooth designs. So basically what I mean by using the iPad is if you make a line on the iPad and then you hold it down, it will smooth that line out for you, because I don't know if you've tried drawing on the iPad. It's super difficult, at least for me. But some tools and stuff like that the iPad has will help you. I mean, the tools can be kind of limiting the more that I'm using the iPad and getting used to it. Starting to try to just freehand it, but for like long swoops like this, just freaking hold it down, man. It works. But yeah, I'm just going through and doing just random patterns here. It's kind of like just a random backdrop I came up with on the fly. I've been using it though on a lot of my shirts, kind of in the background as a little filler. But on this one, I just kind of went in with the iPad, no freehand sketch before, and just kind of messed around with the straight up iPad shirt, man. It turned out super cool. It's actually one of my favorite shirts. So here I'm just mixing it up with some straight lines and stuff like that. I mean, you can really just do what you want and then bring it into Photoshop and color it up. I mean, I really don't do anything in Photoshop on this one. I really just use the power of the almighty overlay, add some color to it, throw it on a shirt, and I'm wearing it right now. I actually really like it, like I said. But anyway, I'm gonna speed through the rest of this and get into coloring it. I'll catch you later. Alright, so now we're gonna get busy coloring this shirt. So on this one, really all I did was have my background color, which was this weird pink that I like to use because it's easy on the eyes, if you know what I mean. But yeah, so what I did was I pulled out my brush tool. I know you can't really see my settings, but that's the way I got the camera set up, you know. But I pulled out my brush tool, I made it really big, I turned on overlay, I turned it down to 30%, and I just grabbed a blue, went down one side, and then right now I grabbed an orange. I went down another side. Doesn't matter what orange, doesn't matter what blue, and I'm going over the pink on this one. So once you get your blue side and your orange side, or your red side and your blue side, or your pink side and purple side, whatever color side you want to make it, pick a color for the middle that's kind of neutral. I end up going yellow in the middle here. So right now I'm just when it's at 30%, you got to do a couple passes to get it dark, but it makes it nice because you got a lot of control on how dark you want it. So here I'm just making it the overlay as dark as I want it, and once I'm satisfied, I'm gonna take a yellow, which I think I'm about to do right now, and I'm gonna go into the middle and just blend the two, and it comes out super nice. And then once I finish coloring this, see, yellow, see, I told you. And then I do a couple passes of yellow overlay, still at 30%. Just get it as dark as I want, and that's really it for this shirt. 99% of the work was in the iPad, and then I imported it into Photoshop using this graphics tablet here. Just did a couple overlays, called it a day. And then to make it a shirt, I went on printful.com, uploaded my graphic, wham bam, thank you ma'am, it's on a shirt. But that's pretty much the gist of it. I mean, this shirt took me like no time. I mean, it's not because I didn't have fun doing it. It's just because sometimes it doesn't really take a lot with these tools. And actually, this is one of my favorite shirts. It took me the least amount of effort, but I mean, I love rocking it. So I mean, I highly recommend giving the power of the overlay a try and using this iPads and making your own clothing. It's pretty awesome, man. Later.